Local news for Tuesday the 14th of May. 4 New Zealand extra virgin olive oils are among the top winning oils in the world as judged at the 2019 New York International Olive Oil Competition. With almost 1,000 entries, Gail Sheridan, Chief Executive of Olive Oils New Zealand, says New Zealand extra virgin olive oil is on par now with the best in the world. Several Wairarapa school students will be striking again, this time on the 24th of May. Starting at 1 p.m. in the town square, they'll march up Queen Street before heading to Masterton Intermediate School to plant 300 native trees. Carlton District Councillors have extended Chief Executive Jane Davis's contract for another 2 years. Mayor John Booth says, "We are very fortunate at our council to have a proactive leader who is willing to work with and alongside the community and is committed to serving Carlton." And finally in sport, Wairarapa United went down 3-0 to Hutt City in the Chatham Cup last weekend. The under-17s, however, had a massive 17-0 win over Lower Hutt, Xander Edwards scoring 5 goals.